together. It's never better. It is too damn hot, getting fed up. Well, I understand you need everything you wanna be, but this motherfucker.
Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. I just woke up and I had to put on a shirt because usually I sleep naked. This is your fault for all these ungrateful, entitled brats who watch my channel and say, oh, do more spicy noodles. Well, guess where the spicy noodle sauce went? That spicy chicken came out of me like lava. I can't even show you what. I'm gonna go show you. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna show you. Come up with a better solution. Cheers. Oh, but you must be a Trump supporter if you say that. Oh my God, you guys have no brains. No brains. No brains. Because apparently, counting things in an efficient way only benefits one person. No. No. You know, if this were the other way, y'all would be upset too. Let's make this all pretty, because I really gotta eat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Jeepers creepers. Wanna eat cheers. Wanna eat cheers, jeepers creepers. I am not okay. Oh my God. That is very full. Mmm. Delicious. These neighbors, stop it. Oh my God, there's food on the wall. There's food on the wall. Mmm. Poopity scoopity doo.
Hey y'all. Woo! Leonard Skinner, you guys. Got the free bird here. And the bird you cannot change. I got Arby's today, you guys. I got Arby's. Yeah, I don't know, it's been about a month or maybe a little more than a month. Oh man, this is really cheesy. Really, it would be nice if I could get it on my fork. Get some bacon. Come on. Oh, yes indeed. Mmm. Mmm. Oh man. Mmm. Mmm. And I didn't mention it, but I got a Jamocha shake for Cherry. My word. Oh wow. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mmm. 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 Oh man. Mmm. Mmm.
Mukbang mermaid, mukbang mermaid.
Hey, Knuckles! Give me a second. It's been pretty cold lately, so I'm gonna go take this jacket. Okay? I'll be back. Give me 1 second. The Grubhub delivery driver just dropped it off at my little mail slot, so let's get into it. Let me give you a close-up. Here is a close-up of my soup. It's not really new. Oh, that thing is big.
Hurry, tell me. I do not like stalling.
My fortune? Oh, you mean that little piece always gets in the way. Ugh. Yeah, I can't read that, so I usually just eat it.
Come, your new friend, my dear. He'll bring you adventure, laughter, and cheer. Well, I must get going, darling. But whatever you do, remember your life is up to you.
And then, like, a few days later, that creature's here. That is... I don't know. I don't know if I should keep it locked up or if I should maybe bring it up here and, you know, introduce it to you guys.
Hey guys, we're gonna have a wonderful mukbang with some chicken and Alfredo pasta. Chicken and pasta. It's really good. Go vote for me every day until November. So I win $10,000 and give you $2,000. What's up, my loved ones? How are you? Y'all, today I got for y'all homemade shrimp cheesesteak sub. Yes, let me hold it up for y'all. Let's see if y'all can have it. Drop it out. Okay. Oh. Peace made in heaven. I'm gonna try to fold it up a little bit. I'm trying to work for you. This bad boy's falling apart.